impossible. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty end up to the sky.
Hi guys, welcome back to Justlalaland. Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can see by today's title, I am trying to cut a bob. Crazy because I literally made a whole TikTok video of me doing my hair and then cutting it into a bob, and I literally cut to right here, as y'all can see, and I couldn't cut it. I was scared, so I was like, I'm gonna wait 2 weeks, and 2 weeks came. And y'all, I never had a bob. Actually, I have had a bob before, but it didn't really count because it was like a little blonde thing. It was like a blonde wig that I had, and I had cut it, and it just didn't, it don't know. It gave when it gave, but it doesn't count. Like, I feel like if I never had a black bob, then I've never had a bob. I'm scared, guys. But yeah, guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Lala. If you're not new, welcome back, guys. Y'all go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I forgot to say that. I didn't even flat iron it or anything. I had crinkled it the other day. I tried to get it as flat as possible, and then I think I'm gonna crinkle it after I cut it. This is how long it is. Okay, we're gonna see. Y'all bear with me. Let me go get my scissors. Okay, so I'm just gonna come in. I flat iron it. No, I think it's good. Last time I did like do a little cut, I cut it like in a ponytail. Okay, we're just gonna do it. Forget it. We're just gonna do it. I don't want to get the hair all over the floor, but forget it. Okay. I'm gonna cut right here first. Or right here first. Oh, I never had a bob, but put it more shorter. Isn't giving, bro? Y'all, I'm gonna cut it shorter. I'm gonna throw this away because I don't want to get hair everywhere. Oh, and I didn't even want to cut these bundles, bro. Like, in my hair video, I literally boiled these bundles. Okay, I'm gonna cut it a little bit more shorter. Oh my gosh. Bro, this is the perfect length. Why am I nervous? Like, it's not even my real hair. Oh, it's my real hair. Actually, it's my real hair. Oh, hold on, y'all, because I look good with a bob. I look good with a bob. Always scared to do short hair. But I think, okay, I want to cut it just a little bit more. Probably just a little bit more. I want to go short. Bro. Hold on. Okay, it's giving. Is it giving like, I don't know, it's giving something. To match, I need to match the other side. Guys, I'm so nervous. And the thing is, I have to go somewhere tonight, so I can't be looking crazy because I can't mess this up because I don't have time to take this out because I literally have to be somewhere at 7 and it's like 5 something. I'm not gonna have time, so I'm not gonna mess it up. But I'm going to like this little event thing. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, we're just gonna do it. So I literally don't have time to mess up, honestly. We're gonna cut it extra short. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I should have been had a bob. Like, what? What was I doing? Yo, I'm so nervous. I don't know why. Like, I'm not scared to try new hairstyles. Well, actually, I take that back sometimes. Why is this hairstyle eating on me? I'm gonna cut this side a little bit more. Just a little bit. I don't know if it's straight or not. I feel like this side's still a little longer. I don't know. Do I want to do like layered it? Like, you know how people be doing like the... I don't want it to look fake. I don't want it to give Dora. Especially not Dora. Oh my gosh, yo. I think I'm gonna go in and go ahead and cut it a little bit more. Just a little bit. I don't know. Guys, I really don't know if I literally never had a bob before, but bobs give, like, especially being in Colorado right now, the perfect weather for it. Is not too cold, it's not too hot. It's like perfect for bob season. Okay, should I cut it more? I don't want this bob to be sleek. I'm gonna cut it just a little bit more, okay? Just a little bit. I don't want it to give, like, it's giving below freaking 6 inches, I think. Perfect. Actually, I think I can cut it some more in the back. Oh, I hope I did not cut this. Oh no, it's perfect. It's perfect. I honestly think a bob would be like my signature. Should I crinkle it or should I flat iron it? I like the thing going back. Whoa. I just need to see like the back. I'm gonna cut in the front somewhere, like right here. Yeah, perfect. Literally perfect. I'm gonna style it. Dang, I honestly always thought I would be cute. Like, I didn't know about short hair. Like, if you know me, like literally my stylist in Houston, she would be like, oh, you and this long hair. Like, I'm talking about 30 inches bust down. Okay guys, I think I just cut it too short at this point. All right, that's it. That's all in the front. This is the shortest is going in the front. But the back, I need to cut it some more. Or is this good? What it looks like with the crinkler. I'm gonna crinkle it. I just want to see what it looks like. Or I don't know. Okay guys. This is the, I'm gonna flat iron it a little bit. Oh, I could do like little curls in my mini flat iron. Okay, I need to cut some off in the back. Oh, I hope I'm not missing stuff. I'm gonna do curls. I'm not gonna lie. Curls always been my style. Like, straight is just not for me. Okay guys, I hope y'all like it. Please, please, please in the comments tell me if y'all mess with the bob or not, please. Like, is it given? Let me put some earrings on. Okay guys, I ain't gonna lie, I'm liking it, y'all. I'm really, really liking it. Let me do my edges. I be using this. I told y'all about this in my last video. This lady sold me this in her beauty supply because, you know, Colorado and the part I'm at, they don't have a lot of beauty supplies, but I found one. This right here, this is the bomb.com, and she only sold this to me for $7, and it's been lasting me a long time now. I just be using some on my edges. Take my little toothbrush. I'll put a little bit of water because I still have some edge control in there from last time. But I don't like crispy edges. I can't. I like fresh edges. And this edge control be holding. Like, this edge control is my favorite edge control. Literally. Let me get this hair off my, like, one thing, I just cannot stand hair on my combs anymore. At first I used to just, I don't know. Now I just be cleaning my combs all the time because I hate hair in my combs and my brushes that I reuse. I don't know why I'm not using my actual edge brush. Don't mind my edge brush, guys. This thing is out of there. I'm pretty sure y'all look like this. Crazy. And don't mind my laundry in the back either. Backed up on laundry a bit. I'm gonna go in with this 24-hour edge tamer, natural black. I don't know why I use this. I don't know. I'll just be putting it over my edges sometimes to make it like look more black. Well, actually the only reason I use this, not to make my edges look like more real or whatever, because I have edges, but it's like my hair. I had to consistently dye my hair black because y'all know I was a blonde for 4 years, if you didn't know. And it's like the top of my hair sometimes be turning like brownish. So I literally be going over my edges with this black stuff because I like I need my hair to be black. Like I'm tired of dyeing it. So I just like make it look a little bit more black than it naturally is. If y'all understand. If you are a blonde converted back to your natural hair, you'll understand. To get like I feel like I'll never fully get my hair black how it was because of how I dyed it consistently. And I didn't even like really use like a bleach. I used this hair lightener. It was a hair lightener. I'm not sure if that's the same thing, but I used a natural, I don't know if it was natural, but it was a hair lightener that I used on my hair for like 4 years. And I would just consistently use this hair lightener and I would dye, like literally get it blondes, honey blondes. I'm just gonna wipe stuff a little bit. And yeah, I gotta get ready in a bit. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. I'm going to like this young adult night. My friend had invited us to this like young adult night at her church. So yeah, I've been before. It was really good. I think they're talking about like relationships series right now. So Charlie's coming with me too. And yeah, I'm gonna just see what it looks like with the crinkles. If I don't like it, I'm literally just going to, hold on, let me do my edges on this side. I don't know why I'm doing my edges first. I don't know, I just like everything laid and slayed. Laid and slayed. I don't even know where I got these bundles. I really think these are a mix of bundles from She Happy Hair and Amazon bundles, because I literally got this on my hair bag and I boiled these bundles because I literally don't even remember the last time I used them. Like I be throwing stuff in my hair bag, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah. So yeah, this is literally, guys, how do y'all feel about this look? Like, does it give? I'm digging this look a lot. Let me put my little crinkles in it a bit. Okay. I'm just going to put, oh, I really hope this come out nice. Like, I'm always trying to put a little curl. Like, I don't know why I didn't use my mini flat iron. I don't know, maybe I should do actual curls. What do y'all think? Okay, we're just gonna do this first, and if I don't like it, I'm gonna comb it out and then go over it with the flat iron and then do curls. I be doing too much, I know. Let me see. Okay, it's giving something. I don't know, I just feel like me with curls, I just look like me. Me without curls, I don't know, I don't like me without curls. I like me with curls. Like a little curl in my hair eats, bro. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this. Let me do this side and see. Or should I just do some little curls with my mini flat iron? I don't know. I think the first day I'm gonna do it like this, and then like the next day I'll do like a little curl. I think I'm gonna do crimps tonight. The fact that like I'm doing crimps with a bob, who does crimps with a bob? Do y'all, is that a thing? I don't care if it's not, but like one thing about me, I'm gonna always do like a little crimp. Like literally, if you look at my pictures, if I have any pictures up on my Instagram, because I'm kind of rebranding, I always do a little crimp. Like crimps, half up, half down crimp, ponytail crimp, middle part crimp, side part crimp, like shoot, quick weave crimp, wig crimp. Like I'm always trying to do a crimp. I'm always trying to do a crimp. Maybe I need to switch it up. Like flat iron, I don't know why. It just something about like me and straight hair. I don't know. Like I don't know. I've been in my curly hair phase for a long time. I'm talking about like since high school. So I don't know if this is the phase or not. I don't know if just like curly hair is just always gonna be my thing, or like crimps. Like even if I'm not doing crimps, I'm doing mousse and water and blow drying it and like, you know, getting it dry so it can be like curly. I might as well just do curly hair. I don't know. It's just something about this. I don't know, y'all. I don't want to give Dora, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna get back to y'all once I'm fully done. Okay guys, I'm back. I don't know what the heck I'm doing with this, but I gotta go. I crinkled it and then I combed it out, so this is the finishing. I hope y'all like it. I am probably gonna like do a little flat iron over it. I don't know. I have to go. I have to get dressed, so I'm gonna end my video right here. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and y'all have a great blessed day, y'all. Please tell me if you like this look on me. Please tell me if you like this look on me or not, y'all. But yeah, this is the finishing look. I don't know, guys. I really don't know what I want to do. I might just like comb it out a little bit more because in the back it's kind of flared. I'm gonna fix that part. I'm gonna probably cut it somewhere in the back, but yeah. Bye, y'all.